Right, hello, welcome back to another video, and before we kick things off, let's get a cold start. Kind of. Warm outside, so we'll see.
The voltage is too low. Bluetooth disconnect.
It's always one to ruin it, eh? Right, let's get going, and then we'll reveal the winner for the giveaway. Right, we are on the road and ready to announce the giveaway. But yeah, hope you're all doing well. Thanks for all the support on the channel recently. A lot of new subscribers, a lot of new viewers. Hopefully you guys actually stick around. Again, stuck in traffic. This is fun. Excellent. Right. So, if you haven't seen already, we did a Ramair induction kit giveaway, and this video is revealing the winner. I'm not going to hold it for too long because I don't have too much to talk about. We have got the new Q4 e-tron landing on the channel next week, so if you're interested in seeing that, then subscribe. We're going to be doing another giveaway at 500 subscribers as well, and 1,000, and we'll just keep giving away stuff to you guys because I think that's the best way of probably doing the channel. You know, it's a two-way street kind of thing. Takes two to tango. But yeah, so the winner of the Ramair induction kit is Daniel Hegarty. I believe that is correct. Hegarty or Haggerty, it's one of the two. So Daniel, if you're watching this, hopefully you are, because that'll make it a lot easier. My Instagram is linked in the description. Just drop me a message on there and we'll sort it out for you. I'm not sure whether to do a runner-up prize. If I do, it'll be in the comments. If you think I should do, then let me know. It won't be anything massive like an induction kit. It will just be, I don't know, like one of the little Audi Gecko things, or you know, some people, they like those things, they're very Audi brand aware and they like to be branded up and whatnot. So let me know in the comments below if you should do that. Again, like I say, we'll be doing more giveaways at 500 subscribers and then 1,000, so we'll just keep building up. One day, you never know, we might give away a car. Who knows, we might give away the RS3. I doubt it, but if we get to 1 million subscribers, we might do. You never know. I probably won't even have the RS3 by that point, even if we did, because that'll be a couple of years down the line at minimum. Cool, right, thanks very much guys for watching. Don't be disheartened if you didn't win the giveaway. It's not fixed. I don't know who Daniel Hegarty is, or Haggerty, whichever one it is. You can see his comment on the original video as well if you really want to delve into it that much. But yeah, that is it. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.